Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Final check out of this Smith Corona. This happens to be an Electra 120. Revealed some noises in here I didn't like, so I'm going to fix it on camera. I took a quick look and investigated and actually found out what it was already. So here's the deal. Types like it's pretty good, but when I use the key way over here, this guy right here, it makes a strange noise. Let that noisy truck go by. So here goes. Good, 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 good. Ting. It's printing okay. And I thought it was hitting the case. Sometimes these hit the case, the extremity ones come up and hit the case, but I grabbed that bar. Let's see if I can grab it. There it is. And it's not touching the case. So I took a look in here. Pretty quickly I could see it was hitting the side of this spool here. So let's fire this off here. Find it. So it's hitting. If I move the spool out of the way or held it, it goes away. So there was a couple things I could do. I could either try to push this out of the way or form it out of the way, or check the basket down here and make sure the pad's good, which it is. Or I can, on these Smith Coronas, you can actually raise the pad assembly back here a little bit, which would probably resolve it. But while I was looking at that, raising the pad up, I noticed that it was loose. So the pad on these is held on with a bracket here that comes up here, and then it goes underneath the basket arms. But it turns out this screw is loose right here, just a little bit right here. Tighten it up on camera. There it goes, just not even a half turn. Give it a good crank here. Let's see if that resolves it. I actually didn't tighten it and did it right here on camera. Let's see what happens. That was it. So, just a little bit of investigation. Solve the excessive noise of the changeable type. That's probably the problem, that's got a changeable type on it. It's a little bit bigger of a slug. You know, but of course that piece being loose doesn't help any. So all fixed. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.